If you're seeing Epic Games error code DPoS03, that usually means the installer is being blocked by a folder permissions issue on your Windows PC. In other words, the launcher is trying to install or update a game, but Windows is stopping it from accessing the folder properly. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix you can try right now, and it only takes a couple of minutes. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to your desktop and find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click the shortcut, and from the menu, choose Properties. This is where we can change how the launcher runs on your computer. Once the Properties window opens, go straight to the Compatibility tab. Inside that tab, look for the option that says Run this program as an administrator. Check that box, because this gives Epic Games the elevated permissions it may need to bypass the folder restriction that is causing the DPoS03 error. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save the change. Now close out of the window and try opening Epic Games Launcher again. If the error is still happening, the next thing to check is whether another app is interfering with the install process. A common cause is cloud sync software like OneDrive or Google Drive, because these tools can scan or lock the game folder while Epic Games is trying to write files to it. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps. Then look for overlapping sync tools like OneDrive, Google Drive, or any other file sync software that may be active in the background. Select each one that could be scanning your game folder, then click End Task to stop it temporarily. Once those background apps are closed, go back to Epic Games Launcher and try the installation again. In many cases, running the launcher as administrator and stopping cloud sync tools is enough to clear the DPoS03 error and let the install continue normally. If it works, that's a great sign the issue was just a permissions conflict. And if it doesn't, you may need to check your folder security settings or antivirus next. But for this fix, make sure you've completed both steps carefully. Right-click the launcher, enable administrator mode, save it, then end any cloud sync tools that could be interfering. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot this specific Epic Games installation error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes, step-by-step tutorials, and PC troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.